J.A. is a third-year law student here at Windsor Law who is a supervisor at Community Legal Aid, so he's going to speak to us today about what the program is and how it helps students and the community.
Sure. Community Legal Aid is a program that's open to all students from first year to third year. It's probably one of the best opportunities to gain experience in advocacy while at law school. As a first-year student, you come in as a caseworker, so you're on the front line speaking to clients who need assistance from areas that range from landlord-tenant law to criminal cases that go all the way up to summary offenses, as well as civil matters in the small claims court. So as a caseworker, you really get a lot of experience in dealing with identifying legal issues and addressing them accordingly. In your upper years, you actually get to go to court. And that could be anything from setting dates for matters to actually conducting your own trials in the civil, criminal, and landlord-tenant context. So it's a great program not only for our students, but also it's a great service to the community. A lot of members of our community don't have the resources to get legal assistance. They're denied either by legal aid or can't afford lawyers themselves, so they come to us and we're able to assist them. So we're a good service to them as well.
And can you tell us roughly how many students participate in CLA every year?
Well over 100, actually.
Okay.
There's a good number of first years who apply every year as caseworkers. And then in the upper years, the numbers are less. That's just because we can't accommodate everyone. So there's an application process that takes place in the upper years. So I'd say there's about 40 or 50 litigators that participate in the program. And then there's supervisors as well who stick around in the summertime and take care of all the files.
Okay, can you tell us what skills the students that participate learn while working, both the ones who don't go to court if they're in first year, and then the upper years, of course, learn real advocacy skills?
It's really law applied. I mean, you get the opportunity to apply all of the knowledge that you gain in the classroom and see how it pans out. The best thing I think you really get out of it is seeing how the law actually has an impact on individuals. It gives it a really human face, and that's something you can't necessarily get from a textbook. So you develop skills in advocacy, develop skills in being able to identify legal issues. You really learn how to focus your arguments so that they're effective, and you get to see what the court procedure is like. You also learn to work with clients and help address their needs, which isn't always the easiest thing to do.
Great. And lastly, just in terms of the community outreach, do you know roughly how many cases or clients does Community Legal Aid take on each year?
I'd say well over 1,000 in many different capacities. That could be anything from a client coming in receiving summary advice to all the way up to a criminal trial. We have thousands of people coming by. It takes every single day are generally booked. So it's a great service to the community, and we're at CLA. We're one of many legal clinics that the University of Windsor has. Our sister clinics are LAW and the mediation service, and we work closely with them on trying to address the needs of the community.
Super. Thanks very much.
You're welcome.